People, welcome to my YouTube channel today. And if you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, my name is Nike. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And to all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for always staying tuned. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support each time on this channel. I know this video has been a long awaited video, so here it is, guys. I have brought you guys a tour of what my home looks like after spending all that time on my Christmas decoration. Also, guys, I have a lot cooked up this holiday season. I encourage you to stay tuned. And also, to those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider hitting the like and the subscribe button. It goes a long way in helping my channel and suggesting this channel to other YouTubers around the world. For those of you guys that are also looking for inspiration, I hope you get inspired. This year, I decided to keep it traditional with the farmhouse decor, plaid, or do I call it check? Some people call it buffalo design, especially for the black and white here. This is called the buffalo check design. I really did fall in love with this design since last year. I already knew this is what I wanted to use for my Christmas decoration. So you guys should stay tuned and enjoy every bit of this video. I tried my best, guys, and I want you to please tell me what you think in the comment section. What do you think I could have done better? What do you think I can improve on? And just tell me if you think I did okay as well. I will really appreciate each and every one of you's feedback. Thanks so much for all the love. You guys should enjoy yourself this holiday season. To me, this is the best time of the year. When I come alive, I really do go all out during the holiday period. I enjoy Christmas. I love Christmas. Everything that has to do with Christmas. And again, I always try to remind you guys, always remember that Jesus Christ is the reason for the season. This season is a time of giving, of showing love, and also reflecting on the fact that Jesus Christ came and died for each and every one of us, so he is the main reason for the season. I hope you guys do have yourself a merry Christmas this year, and I wish you guys all things good tidings of great joy. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
striking 12 when I'm fast asleep. Down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack, you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. We wish you a Merry Christmas.